Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to access Wall Street Journal article on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Wall Street Journal on your app. Once you are on your home page, browse or search for an article you want to read later. Inside the article, look for the option or the download icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing upward. Tap it. This shifts the article to your device so you can read it without internet. To find all your offline articles, go back to the app's main menu and tap on Save Bookmark or Download. After that, click on Save Articles. Here you will see everything you have downloaded. Now you can open any saved article even when your iPhone is in airplane mode or you don't have Wi-Fi or cellular data. Remember, you need to download articles before you go offline. Also, downloaded articles may update or expire after some time, so check periodically if you want the latest info. And that's it. We have successfully learned how to save and read Wall Street Journal articles offline on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.